Designed with advanced technology, capable of cutting and processing wood accurately and effectively. These giant wood-cutting machines help optimize labor productivity, minimizing the time needed to harvest wood planning and transferring wood materials. Let's follow the powerful operation of these advanced machines. John Deere 6-stick power in the heart of the forest. A real wonder in the trees. This advanced machine combines precision engineering with rugged power, easily carving through tree trunk. The John Deere 6-stick is a force to be reckoned with in the world of wood carving. The TigerCat 855 is equipped with a formidable 570 harvest head, a dynamic duo in the heart of the American forestry industry. This powerful machine combines incredible processing speed and precision. The TigerCat 855 transforms the logging landscape. Forestry adventure with the Asfiart 120, a formidable tree feller. Powered by a powerful 120H engine, this beast moves easily through the dense forest, clearing paths with precision, setting a new standard in the world of tree fellers. With an incredible displacement of 137 cc and an astonishing power of 8.98, this style 90 chainsaw is a force of nature, conquering giant tree trunks with unparalleled power. Introducing the Team 300 and John Deere 6-stick chain, the tree conqueror from Swift Fox Industries. With its unparalleled precision and passion for wood, this tree cutting feat is considered a symbol of efficiency in the field of forestry. Unleash the power of the Team 200, mounted on the agile Kubota's V65, capable of seamlessly cutting through large trees with precision and speed. With an outstanding capacity of 250 horsepower, the Team 200 on the Kubota's Fell 65 delivers outstanding efficiency. Steel Miss 500E chainsaw, packed with cutting-edge technology. This chainsaw is a true force of nature. With an agile 36-bar and precision engineered Stiesel Ars chain, it easily carves the largest logs, turning them into manageable lengths. embark on a tree-cutting adventure with the formidable steel Mrs. 201 to Mrs. 462, reaching new heights of forestry skills. With advanced technology and a power range of 50 to 72 ccc, these chainsaws have redefined the art of precision in high-altitude logging work. Enter the realm of efficiency and precision with the incredible Vance grinder as it turns hardwood into incredible works of art. With processing speeds that far exceed expectations, the Vance grinder takes just minutes to reduce substantial logs into manageable pieces. Discover the steel Mrs. 881, a true giant in the field of wood engraving machines. With an incredible 121 cc of displacement and a staggering 8.8 HP of power, this chainsaw is a force to be reckoned with, handling giant tree trunks with raw power and precision. The style Mrs. 661 chainsaw has a terrible 91.1 cc engine, delivering an impressive capacity of 7.3 HP. This chainsaw is truly a giant at chopping down giant trees, easily cutting through the trunks of towering giants. Embark on your wood carving journey with the style Ms. 500E, a true testament to cutting edge innovation. This powerful chainsaw is equipped with a 36 Tsumura bar and styler's chain. It exhibits unmatched precision and power, easily turning logs into manageable pieces. In cold weather, the style Mrs. 661 chainsaw with 28-inch bar conquers the forestry sector with its incredible 7.3 HP engine. This chainsaw is a force to be reckoned with, expertly navigating through huge chunks of wood, leaving a trail of efficiently cut wood in its wake. With outstanding performance, they perfectly combine power and precision. Boasting cutting-edge technology, they easily tackle the toughest forestry challenges, turning towering trees into neatly cleared plots of land. Discover the D's 20, a magical woodcutting tool that turns logs into bundles, ready for burning with unprecedented efficiency. Powered by advanced technology, in just a few hours, it can process a staggering 20 cords of wood. Embark on a logging adventure with the Farmertech Holzformer Gate 188, a beast of a saw with a powerful 122 ox engine. Enhanced with a high performance muffler, it roars through the hardest wood like a symphony of power, turning the laborious job of felling trees into a quick job. Ryan's advanced 20 dangle saw has been tested in the forestry industry. Tree cutting adventure in the south of England with the Hyundai Hacksaw 145 and Vosh Grapple, a dynamic duo battling ash dieback. This formidable alliance not only ensures effectiveness, but also aids in limiting the spread of ash dieback. The powerful Holzformer 372 suit chainsaw is undergoing rigorous testing, pushing the boundaries of performance and reliability. Engineered to perfection, the GRE 370 Tox balances raw power with precision, making it a game changer in chainsaw technology. Discover the Stiefel 400s, a formidable chainsaw powered by advanced technology. This machine cuts logs with ease. In the hands of a skilled operator, the Stealth 400, with its fast-cutting speed and ability with precise control, it turns hours of labor into minutes of mastery. Do these exciting moments satisfy you? Please leave a comment to let us know which device you like best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.